since it's your first time here, if you want other song and that's to sing or maybe under different, or for you it's this. If you, since it's your first time here, shoot at different, or maybe the sunglasses, or when you go on stage and then underneath the stage, or it's different with the lights and the different colors of Moscow, or for example Denmark, or the Mediterranean.
Really, it's really hard to hear the question while he's speaking. Can we go out there, please?
I shout more. Maybe I shout, okay?
Shy?
Shout. Okay.
Shout it.
So, but since it's your first time here, is it about Eurovision or the stage different for the lights, for example, blue, white, cream, or maybe Denmark, Moscow, Mediterranean, the political situation is different for your song to be to your band and the sunglasses, maybe?
Honestly, I can't hear the question. What can I say? I think you're talking about something with the political situation and colors and my sunglasses.
Yes.
What does that mean? I think the political situation is that we have to build a bridge between north, south, east, west, and I think a musical get together is a great thing and a good thing to do that with. It's peaceful. It's. And I don't know if I'm answering your question because I can't hear your question.
Okay, I can tell you the secret. We're doing a joke on all the singers. I'm asking a question that doesn't make sense, and I see what they reply.
Okay, I got it. I passed that test. You saw that.
Well done.